Okay, this is a quick run through on using two-way tables. Two-way tables are a way of presenting information that's related. So this kind of is a two-way table, and it says which people have hamsters, and there can be multiple answers. So who has both hamster and a cat? Hamster and cat, the two lines we can run through, and only the one in the middle has both hamster and cat. So put that in. How many pupils have more than two pets? Well, here's Jim, he's got 3. Tom's got 4. Anne's got 3. Pam's got 1. Yin's got 1. So these 3 people have more than 2 pets. Which pet's owned by the fewest number of people? Well, we've got 3 hamsters, 3 cats, 2 mice, 3 rabbits and 1 horse. So the horse is the smallest amount. So we managed to read information from this table. Now, a two-way table often just shows the numbers of people who are in a section. So here, remember the swimming team, we're going to put those people into the various places. So brown head boy goes in with brown, and we count it. Drag each of the swimmers into their right place. Well, I'm going to do it by type. So we've got a girl who is black haired, so girl, black haired, she goes there. So we've got 1, 2, 3, 4 of them. Brown hood girl, we got 1 in the brown, so she's girl and brown. 2, 3, and we've got 3 blonde girls. So there's 1, 2, 3. We've got 2 blonde boys, so we put them both into there, and 2 dark-haired boys, black-haired boys. Now this is a two-way table. We'll now add to it a little bit more information now because we have the totals. So this total is the total of the line, which is 2, 1 and 2, which is 5. That means I've actually got, if I look at the boys, I've got 5 boys. When I look at the total for the girls, it is 3, 3 and 4, which is 10. So we've now worked out that there are 5 boys, 10 girls. The next part is we can also do that total by hair colour. So 2 and 3 is 5. So there are 5 blonde people. 1 and 3 is 4. So there's 4 people who have brown hair, and 6 people had black hair. And notice now, both of these are totals for everybody in this main part of the table. So the 2 totals should add up. We've got 5 and 10 is 15. And it should be the same as the horizontal total for that line. 5, 4 is 9 plus 6, 15. Okay, so these sort of questions are normally presented in the form of a puzzle. So the idea now is we've got various people. Let's go to a different example. It's a lot easier if we go into this main one. So first of all, we've got pupils and what sort of pens they have, what type of pen, what colour. So fountain pens, we've got 38 and 12. Well, you can use a calculator. I don't think they've got their calculator turned on. Yeah, they've got the calculator turned off. Okay. So to get this, we need 38 blue fountain pens and 27 fountain black pens. That is 65 in total. Next one, 24 ballpoint blue plus 22 ballpoint black. It's 46. And fibre tips, 33 blue plus 25, and that's 58. Go into the columns. We got 38 plus 24 plus 33. This is the total number of people who had blue pens of any kind. That's 95. And black pens of any kind, we've got 27, 22, and 25. That's 74. And what should happen is we should add all of these in both directions. 74 plus 95 is 169. And what I can do to check is I'll just add the last digits and check how the digit worked. So I've got 8, and 6 is 14, and 5 is 19. So we've got 9, carry 1, so we've got 60, 100, 160, 169. So that's been done. That's that table completed. And then normally we get asked questions. How many pupils use a black ballpoint? So ballpoint and black is 22. That describes these people in here. Students with blue ink altogether, so all the blue inks is 95. How many students use a fountain pen? Everybody across there, which is 65. And how many students are there in year 11 altogether? Well, that's everybody. That's the total. It's 169. Check it. Everything's done. This is the puzzle version of these that often happen. And what you need to do is work out what numbers are missing. And if we have a look at this, the total is 29 do biology, girls 25 do physics. That gives me a total of 54. I need another 24 people to give me 78. Okay, so I'll check that well. Can't do anything about the boys at the moment, but we can also check the total number of students doing science at all. And we got 40 and 54. That gives me 94. Get my calculator back. To find out what's missing, I've got 173 people in total. I'm going to take away from that the biology students, who are total, and chemistry students in total. And that will leave me the number of physicists, 79. Now we can do the missing boys just by comparing the numbers going down. So I need to add 11 to 29 to give me 40. I need to add 30 for chemistry. Physics, I'm going to need to add 54. And so the number of people in total I need to add would be 95, 173, minus the 78 we knew about, girls. That gives me 95 boys. Check the numbers and we could be finished. So that's how you can solve the problems, and then they'll ask questions on top of that as well.